All right, guys, Don's Appliances here. We're in the Experience Center. We are shooting steak on the Roccbox by Gozney. So, super excited about this. We got a huge Cowboy cut, and we have our pan preheating right here in the back. So we take it out like this. Just want to check our pan. We've had it in here 3 or 5 minutes, so it's a nice preheat. We got a trivet down here. It's our Franke roller mat. Serves as a nice trivet so you don't burn anything. First thing we want to do with the steak, though, pat it dry, guys. Get all the moisture off. Check that out, just like that. That really ensures we get a good sear and we get a good crust on our steak. That's rule 101. My secret tip, you guys can have that. Boom, done with this, all right? Next, mixture a little salt, pepper, and a little bit of Montreal. We're gonna roll that on here. Heavily coat that guy, just like that. And you see, when you take the water off, you get that huge layer of crust on this now. Boom. We'll just use the weight of it. Actually, I'll pour it all in here. Save myself a step, which I like. You know, get this guy coated evenly because it's a thick cut. We're gonna want to get a lot of seasoning and flavor on this, right? Perfect. That looks great. Next, our hot skillet. We want to put the oil in here, just like this. See that? Look at it blister up, okay? Next, let me move this guy. We're gonna put a little bit of this garlic and a little bit of this rosemary in. We're gonna move it around. This is gonna flavor the oil, you know? Give a nice little base for our steak to hang out on. This is just gonna infuse it just a tad, right? Next, shake all the excess off. This is a huge piece, man. If you don't shake this off, you're gonna get some burnage. We don't want smoke, we want cook, right? Perfect. Look at that. So let's put this up. See that sear? Let's check that out. See the smoke and the sear coming off? You can smell the rosemary. All that bottom heat. Now we're gonna pop this right back into the Roccbox, okay? Put it in just like this. And now guys, what it's gonna do, that heat from the top on the Roccbox, it's gonna crust that steak from the top. 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna flip it. 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna flip it again, okay? Good. All right, guys, this is our 3-minute flip in, and look at this sear. Look at the great crust and caramelization on it. We got a nice hot pan, but the Gozney's gonna crust it from edge to edge, keeping that great sear in there. Look how beautiful that is. So we just gave it a flip, 3 more minutes in the oven. Whew. Flip this guy over again, guys. This is the second flip. Perfect crust on each side right here. You know, we're just gonna add a little bit more of the rosemary. And depending on doneness, like we like ours a little bit rare here in the showroom, we'll add this for flavor. Drizzle a little bit more of this olive oil right on this guy, okay? Always finish with a nice quick piece of salt, okay? Just like that, right on there. And this guy's ready. You could actually take this to the table and serve it. We're just gonna let it sit for the next 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna cut into this beautiful guy. Look at that. So guys, check this out. This is Cowboy cut steak. Done right on the Gozney. 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on thickness and doneness, how you guys like it, but right in a nice pan. That's a done deal. Thank you guys so much.